It's a week before Mother's Day,
This is the most important part for this
and
plant.
these pre-K students
what you
are
put
getting
on the
their
bottom.
hands dirty
That's
because
the
they are caring
foundation.
for a plant they're going to give their loved one on that special day.
They plant their seed, they give it what it needs, and then it thrives.
Just like plants blossom, so do students.
These kids are like that seed that you plant in that foundation. So this is where it begins. It's in pre-K.
They started the project weeks earlier, making sure the plant has enough water and sunlight. When there is a moment, the academic side takes over. A perfect refresher to what they've learned throughout the school year. Counting.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these flowers and we're gonna take them outside to the garden that's outside, and that way they can keep caring for their garden.
We go back just a few days before Mother's Day, and this is how the plants look. The students are happy and can't wait to give their present.
I'm gonna give my plant to my mom because I love my mom.
Taking care of the plant doesn't stop at school. Their job now is to keep the plant healthy just for mom and remember the steps they learned at school.
We put the seeds and we put water and we give them sunlight and air. Agüita, agua, agüita. En mi mamá pa que me dice comida bonita porque aquello mucho porque me ama mucho. You look so beautiful today.
For KWS TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.
Beautiful.